Hello guys, myself Arvind, and I'm going to talk about a very profound topic that is very close to me, and this has helped me excel a lot in my life. And actually, this is a quote, and we might have heard or read it somewhere. And the quote is, "Better late than never." Yes, अगर आपको कहीं जाना है, आप देर से पहुंचिए, ना कि ना पहुंचे, बिल्कुल ना पहुंचे. You know, it's not about going to office. I'm not about to going to office or somewhere. It's about I'm talking about the goals that you have set, the tasks that you have, the objectives that you have set for yourself. So I'll start with the one thing that I have experienced myself and I have excelled in my life significantly. So I'll take an example of myself from past 2 3 years. I love doing exercise, morning exercise basically. So but और मैं ये जो एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ, जैसे 1 महीना 1.5 महीने किया, मैंने मोटिवेट रहा, बहुत अच्छे से किया, पर फिर ब्रेक हो जाता था ये. फिर मैं करता था. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पास्ट 3 4 5 years. आई एम डूइंग दिस, बट फ्रॉम द पास्ट 2 3 years, basically I talk about that even after marriage I am not able to do it. Not even तोड़ तोड़ के भी नहीं कर पा रहा जैसे पहले करता था मैं. And I'll tell you the reason behind it, why I took a point of the marriage. आपको बताता हूँ मैं इसके बारे में. इससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा मैंने क्या ऐसा किया जिसकी वजह से मैं कंसिस्टेंट हो पाया, जो कि मैं चाहता था करना. And my goal is, if I talk about my goal is to maintain a good physique, as I love doing exercise in the morning. But after getting married, there are added responsibility in my life. I have to maintain the work-life balance. Actually, I'll prove you in the last, there is nothing like work-life balance. It's all about life. Okay, let's deep dive into the thing that I'm going to talk about. And I'm taking an example of my morning routine that I was not able to continue from past 2 3 years. But something happened to me. Something I got realized, and after that, I'm unstoppable. From past more than 4 months, I'm continuously doing my exercise, my daily routine, morning routine, and you know, you'll be mind blown to hear that even not even a single day I skipped it. Yes, you heard it right. There are exceptions. In the COVID period, me and my family got affected by the COVID. So, except that period, you know, I never skipped the morning routine, morning exercise, even for a single day. And I tell you the way technique that I used, and you know, this is not. I think this is not me only that I'm facing this. I got stuck. But I got stuck in this. I tell you what I did and what are the things that people can do to excel in life, to achieve the goal that they have made for themselves. So I'll tell about myself what I did. Actually, what I first used to do. I commit myself in the brain that if I make if I think like that I have to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have my commitment, so I get motivated, and for few days I do it continuously. But after few days, the motivation level decreases. So what happens? I am not able to continue the morning routine for some considerable reasons, and I'll quote here that seems to me. Actually, they are not the valid reasons for me, but those all reasons looks considerable to me. That is why I'm not able to continue this. So, so what have I realized and how I have improved? In the process when you are not able to achieve the thing that you have thought of, what happened? You feel guilt. You become fearful that are you good enough to do the things that you have, that you have worked on, that you want to achieve. I will tell you the thing that I did, and it can be implemented to anything in any situation. If I talk about my morning routine exercise, what I did, I committed myself the same thing that I did beforehand. I committed that I'll wake up at 6 o'clock. Okay, this is the first thing that I commit. For a few days, it happened, but after a few days, what happened? I put the snooze button again. It happened again. The previous things are happening to me again. Cycle is, coming back to me again. But what I did this time, I didn't feel the guilt. You know, on the fifth day, sixth day, when I woke up late, like 6:30, I didn't feel guilt to me. Didn't feared me. I didn't felt fear. भाई, जो मैं टाइम 1 घंटा देता था, मुझे 8 बजे रेडी होना ऑफिस के लिए, 8 बजे के पहले आई हैव 1 hour फॉर दैट आई हैव सेट फॉर द मॉर्निंग रूटीन. अगर मैं 7 बजे भी उठता हूँ, 7:30 बजे फ्रेश होता हूँ, आई स्टिल हैव हाफ एन आवर लेफ्ट फॉर मी. तो मैंने क्या डिसाइड किया, ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्किप द थिंग्स दैट आई हैव wanted, because I have a certain goal that I want to achieve, and I'll achieve it whatever it takes. Maybe I'll give less time someday. No, it will happen to you. It's not like you have, आपने अगर सेट किया आपको 2 घंटे देने हैं, 3 घंटे देने हैं, आपके साथ होगा ऐसा. आप सर्कमस्टेंसेस ऐसे आएंगे आपके साथ, या आप कमिटमेंट होने के बावजूद भी आप पूरा टाइम उतना नहीं दे पाओगे. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, वहाँ पे आपके पास जो भी टाइम मिल रहा है आपको वो करना है, आपको उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. वॉट एवर टाइम यू गेट, you need to give 100%, this one thing. And as I told you, the time passes very frequently, and these 4 months have passed, and I am regular in waking up. It happens to me sometimes I wake by 5:30, but I still do regular exercise. And I am happy to tell you that as I am working to gain weight, actually I have a lean body, so I am working on my body to gain weight. And after getting affected from the COVID, I lost 7 to 8 kilograms. Yes, 7 to 8 kilograms I lost. And but after the COVID period, I worked on myself regularly, and I'm happy to tell you that I have gained more than 3.5 kg weight in 3 months duration. It might seem less to someone, but I know this, how much I have worked for myself, and I have gained this. I know. I am committed myself, within 3 to 4 months, I am going to gain 10 kilogram weight for at least. Yes, initial period is the most difficult one. When I talk about my journey, in the first month of I kept losing my weight, because when I started after COVID period, I kept losing. After मैं 1 महीने करने के बाद, मेहनत करने के बाद भी, मैंने 1 से 1.5 किलो वजन मैंने कॉन्टिन्यूसली गिर रहा था मेरा. बट आई kept myself motivated. I kept doing the thing that I can do. जो मेरे हाथ में था, भाई आप वही करोगे ना. मेरे हाथ में क्या था? एक्सरसाइज करना. And that I did. Yes. And after 1.5 month, you can say I have gained this much weight, 3.5 kilogram weight in 2 months time. Yes. So at the beginning it will be most pressure time for you, but if you have committed, you will definitely be able to do it. And be consistent in what you do. And one bonus tip. Yes, don't make superficial goals at the initial stage. Set the goals that you can achieve easily. Yes, you heard it right. Set the goals जो कि आप उतने समय पीरियड में आराम से कर सकते हो, because that is going to boost your confidence, and gradually you can increase the level of the difficulty level of the goal, objective or tasks that you have decided. And one thing, at last, I would like to pay gratitude to some people, some of the legends that I met in between the community I'm into. Actually, if you want to achieve something in shorter period, if you can get the like-minded people in besides you in your environment, even I can't tell you how fast you are going to excel in life, whatever you want to achieve, whatever the situation. If you can create the environment, it is going to blow your mind. Okay, this is it for time being. Do like and subscribe my channel. I'll give more insights. I'm a learning phase. I'm reading a lot. I'm in the new things. So keep sharing, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.